Hello everybody, welcome back to our video. Today I am here with Beniko or Benko. How do you pronounce your name?
Bencio.
Bencio. I'm here with Bencio, the producer. So, anyway, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a USB cord for a weather radio, like this. Like you saw in my USB powered weather radios video that I just posted earlier today. So, anyway, to get started, you'll need a phone cord of some sort. This one was one that I accidentally broke while I was watching videos in my bed. I accidentally put a lot of pressure onto the charger and it just snapped. So, I decided to cut off the end part. You can see where the lightning port used to be. And not port, the lightning cable part used to be. So you'll need one of these USB cords. By the way, all the cords that you need here, you need to make sure that you want to sacrifice them. And you'll need 2 wire nuts, small ones. And, let's see here, where'd it go? Here. And you'll need 1 of these things. This is what is at the end of an AC adapter. They're called tips. I don't know how to refer to them if there's no AC adapter, but anyway, to get started, what we need to do is well, here's the tools that we'll need. We'll need wire cutters, we'll need wire strippers, and then the wire nuts that we need. So, the first thing you want to do to hook it up to your weather radio is you want to strip the wires that are coming from the tip. It needs to be a bit longer than that. Make it about this long. And we're going to strip the other side. Now you may notice that I'm actually stripping it on the cutting part. That's because these wires are too small to actually strip with the regular stripper, with the regular stripping things in the wire stripper. There we go. Let's see, cut this one a bit shorter. There we go. And we now have the wires on the tip stripped. So we are now ready to go ahead and work on the second part, which is preparing the USB thing. And I accidentally hit my tripod. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip the USB wire now. I recommend stripping a good amount of it, like that much. Normally I use pliers to go ahead and actually get this to strip, but I forgot to bring them up here. I personally think that needle nose pliers work the best for that. There we go. Almost there. There we go. So, oh, that stripped the thing off too. That's interesting. Well, we're gonna have to do that again because it's creating a short circuit now, so we can't have that. That can break whatever you're plugging it into, so we don't want that. Most likely not the radio, but you still want to be careful about whatever device you're hooking it up to. So, oh wait, no, we weren't creating a short circuit. This is all one wire. So, right here is the, this is the, what do you call it? Ground, I guess? The, ground wire. And there we go, so now we need to peel down this aluminum housing here. And the iPod finally turned on. Anyway, so now we're going to cut off this aluminum housing, because we don't want that. And then also there's going to be another wire inside of here. We will not need that, so we will cut that off. It's like the already stripped wire. And then we're left with just 2 wires here. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip the red one, or the positive one, whichever one is positive. In this case will be red. Come on. There we go. We have that wire stripped. And then, now we just need to wire it up to the tip. So we twist these wires together and we put a wire nut on them. Well, actually, we have to kind of like curl it up a bit to make it so the wire nut will actually stay on. And we'll do the other wire. And there we go. Now, I think I did this right. So we'll go ahead and test this out here. Yep. There we go. It turned on. Now, that was staticky because we're about to self-activate this, so it's on channel 2. No batteries, as you can see. So, let's go and try and self-activate it. So, it's already set to channel 2, already set all the right settings. So, we can go ahead and try and self-activate it. Yep, there we go. Music. And let's see what we want to do. Okay, about worked. That's funny, my mom's coffee grinder is creating interference. Okay, let's try a different alert. Okay, there we go. It successfully activated for the tones it received. Let's do that one more time. Whoops, no.
Applause sound effect.
What?
Applause sound effect.
Yeah. Anyway, let's try try a tornado warning now. I think this is tornado warning. Find out. It just reactivated. Nope, this is not tornado warning. Okay, that was required monthly test. Now let's switch to tornado warning. Hello? Oh wait, it didn't have an EOM. I think this is the problem. Oh. There we go. So it works. Now let me go ahead and set this back to KIG86.
And now,
From the Mid-Ohio Regional Planning Commission. So it works. And that's what we want. So I can now bring a weather radio with me in a car, which is really cool. That does not have like a outlet. So yeah, that's cool.
for information, please call the Mid-Ohio Regional Planning Commission at area code 614-233-4157 or visit their website at www.morpc.org/program-service/air-quality-program/. Now looking at the weather pattern.
Alright, and as you can see, it has activated for the alerts. And then some of these are just fails at activating, but that's because we're self-activating. So anyway, yeah, it works, and that's what we want, like I said. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Make sure to subscribe.